I'm feeling a lot of growth, like a lot of new growth. This is awesome. This is my bow. This is my munchkin. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, good YouTube stuff. Today I am making a video about this is about my 8th or 9th month having sister locks. My hair pretty much looks like this regularly. However, I do have to admit, this is a braid out. I don't maintain it. I literally will sleep on it without a bonnet. So I'm going to give you guys an up close look of what my locks look like. Closer. So as you can see, I haven't done my hair or retwisted my hair. I actually have a retwist coming up in, what is today? Today is Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow, I have a retwist tomorrow. I'm so excited. These are what my locks are looking like. I feel like whenever I do braid outs, my hair gets a lot looser. The little wrinkles actually are a lot tighter. So when I am able to take my hair and braid it after I wash my hair, then it will stretch out. My edges are a mess. They always come loose. I don't know what to do about them. I hope they grow more. This is just what my hair looks like. You can't really see any parting. That's pretty much it. So my hair definitely has gotten a little fuller, and it looks kind of full now only because, again, I did a braid out. And when I do braid outs, the first day it looks like ramen noodles, and then every day after that it kind of has this, like, I like to call it beach waves. It kind of reminds me of beach waves, and it gives it a fuller look, but not by much. So this is what my hair looks like from the side. This is what it looks like in the back. And then on the other side. Okay, so there's not much I can really say that has changed dramatically. I definitely have some bunching on the ends. Let me see if I can find one. Yes. Bunching up at the end. The ends are also still curly. They're not fully locked. And I still have those heat damaged ends too. Doesn't really go to a full curl, especially like locks like these. I have a bunch of them that don't really curl up at the end. I do notice that the hair at my roots is a lot thicker, so my lock will go like from not fat but thicker, and then it'll get like really skinny because I was doing stuff like blowouts, curl rods, and all that stuff when I was loose natural. I'm also getting like random thickness in like the center of a lock, not necessarily like the beginning or end of a lock, just like a little bump in the center. I don't really do much with my hair either. I will usually put my hair like this all day. From there, it'll just be what it's gonna be. But I think I'm kind of digging this braid out situation. It's a lot less of a hassle than putting curlers in, because when you put curlers in, then you just have to walk around with a bunch of curls. But I put like maybe 6 cornrows in right after I finish showering. I don't braid and band anymore, but after I'm finished showering and shampooing my hair, I will then put it into cornrows. I don't know what that's about. I just don't really feel like braiding and banding. My hair is kinky enough to not really unravel. The only place that I really find any unraveling is in the immediate fronts with like the little less than an inch baby hairs that keep getting put in every single retie. I can't wait till the day that my edges just actually lock up and I can move on, because it's the worst sometimes. But my hair definitely is growing. I see growth. If you want me to do like a video compilation of my loose natural hair to my locks, definitely put a comment down below and I'll start making that video. But I just want to know if you guys even want to see that. I'll put maybe like a loose natural to 6 months, and then I'll make maybe like a 6 months to a year once I actually become a year. That way you guys can see the visual journey, because sometimes I get like used to seeing myself every single day, but then when I look back at past pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh, things actually have changed. So if you guys want to see that journey through like pictures or videos or something, let me know. But that's pretty much it. This is my lock tour. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And I'm also gonna make another video updating my shampoo routine, because the last video I made was about the I was about to say Joe's Crab Shack, Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. So I've definitely had a little bit of ups and downs with the shampoo. I still haven't fully mastered it, but I'm still sticking with it because that bottle, baby, it's going a very long way. I'm not gonna run out anytime soon. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. Lock gang, lock. Rose says bye too. She's asleep, but she says bye. See, that's her paw waving goodbye. All right, bye guys.